Hello. Hi. What's up? It's Kendall here. Biscuits. Yes. So we have a fruit fly issue at the moment because my mistake for wanting to be healthy and having fruit in the house and then going on a trip and then coming back and they won't die. Someone give me advice. Someone said apple cider vinegar, but I don't think it worked. Alright. I don't know, but as you can imagine, your girl's stressed about it. The day that you're watching this is not the day I came back from Korea, but it's a few days after. I'm still incredibly jet lagged, and my skin, my skin is feeling some type of way. Like, it probably won't show up on camera, but I'm breaking out all over the place and my skin's just dry and crusty and kind of gross and I need to exfoliate and it's just a whole thing. And so I figured it's time for some TLC. The entire Korea trip was just a whole cluster mess for my skin. Super dehydrated, poor sleeping patterns, poor eating patterns. It was hot, so I'm sweating and my pores are clogged and I just wasn't really having a very good skincare regimen. To be very, very honest with you, I didn't take care of my skin basically that entire trip. Today is a pampering day, getting my life together, and I'm really excited to do it because I needed to do it. I was gonna do it the first day I came back and just clocked out. Side note, because I like to ramble. If you're new here, hi. I slept the entirety of that 13-hour flight and then slept another 10 hours when I got back home and then was up all day. You go tell your friends. Go tell your friends. Go warn your friends. And I feel like a really good way to reset would be to take care of this skin situation. So I'm super excited to say that this video is in collaboration with Papa Recipe. Super exciting because I love Papa Recipe. Particularly the original Bombee honey mask was my jam. In tune with me. But this time I'm going to be trying out some other products and just refreshing and clarifying my skin because your girl needs it. So first, I think it's well overdue time to do some clarifying. I tend to break out around my nose if I'm having a rough situation of it. So that's where I've been breaking out. So we're going to start off with the Papa Recipe Bombee Honey Pudding Peel Off Facial Mask. Oh wow. She thick. Ooh, she real thick. I was reading on the back just briefly because I can't be bothered to sit there and actually read the entire direction. But basically they said that it has the texture of real honey. They weren't joking. It's mad sticky looking. But it's supposed to be a peel off mask. So you're supposed to be able to easily peel it off. This is our textural situation. It's stuck on there. And it comes with this little spatula, so that's really good. Oh yeah. Oh, she's golden. Look at the highlight. Definitely a sticky mask, which makes sense because usually when something's a peel off, it needs to have that texture so that when it dries down, it can peel off in a relatively uniform texture. I hope this isn't one of those masks that will hurt. We'll find out in 40 minutes. Okay, so with the fruit flies and honey on my face, I'm really asking for trouble. But if I can trap them on my face and they never appear again, golden. So first impressions of this mask here is that so far so good. I like the way it feels. It's very cooling. It's quite tightening and firming. It smells amazing. It smells like honey. And I can tell that it'll probably be pretty easy to peel off just texturally how it is on my face right now. One problem I have, and for note Papa Recipe, because I'm sure you're going to be watching this, I would really love to see this in a jar if at all possible, because it coming out in this tube, the hole is so small that it's really hard to get the product out. But as far as now that it's on the skin, it feels really, really nice. And I do appreciate that I can tell this is going to dry down. Other honey masks I have don't dry down. And if you're trying to do stuff and it just drips down on your face, it's not fun. It's not productive. I got other stuff I'm trying to do and I can't do it because I got stuff dripping on my roof. Not cute. So I do appreciate that this is going to dry down and peel off and, be easy to clean up afterwards, because honey masks also can be very annoying to get off. I am excited to do the little peel off because everybody loves a good peel off, and I'll see you guys in about 30 to 40 minutes because that's how long they said. 20? What? 20 to 30 minutes. I'll be back. Time for everyone's favorite part. If you notice, moving my mouth at all has resulted in the lifting of it around my mouth. So this has been cute. Ooh. Oh, it doesn't hurt. This one doesn't hurt to take off, so that's a good idea. Like you are peeling something off your face. Ooh. I stand corrected. No. I've had my fair share of peeling painful things off my face. Do you know what's really frustrating? All these friggin' flies want to bother me any other time, but for some reason when I have something that should attract them to my face so I can kill them, they didn't come close this time. I just appreciate that this is a peel-off mask because, like I was saying before, honey masks in particular are some of the most frustrating things to get off. And considering this is a peel-off mask, I can get the majority of it off my face before I even go wash my face. I don't think this is like strong enough to get any blackheads and whatnot off, but it just gets some of that like gross dead skin feel off the top. Like my skin feels so much smoother. Okay, I think that's about as much as I can get with my hands alone. So now it's gonna be time to wash my face. Actually, before I go wash my face, I guess we could exfoliate my lips since we're exfoliating my face right now. Real Sugar Lip Scrub. I have used this before. I'm feeling it. If you can tell, my mouth is like so dry. Baby, honey child, love. It's just a sugary scrub. I'm dry and crusty. Girl, get your life. Get your life. Okie dokie. My skin feels so much fresher. All that like clogged grossness that was like around my nose feels so much smoother. And now I am prepped for a sheet mask. It's a sheet mask type of day. I have an oldie but goodie right here, which is the original Papa Recipe Bombee honey mask. I really like this and I've liked it for years. I know there's a lot of people that follow it. It's like a cult following and people just really dig it, and I do too. This is honey propolis extracts. I don't know, I just like honey skincare, okay? It's my thing. I really like honey skincare. It smells really good. It's really softening and really moisturizing. I know I love this, but one that I've never tried before is the Bombee Rose Gold Honey Mask Pack, which apparently moisturizes the skin with the gold honeycomb sheet generously soaked with richly hydrating propolis extract, 24 karat gold, and essence. Fancy. So I'm gonna try this one because I'm just curious, will I like it any more or less than the original? Okay, extra. okay, design. Look at that. There's like, sorry for my people that are afraid of holes, but it's like a gold lattice design. I think this is on the sheet mask itself. How extra. Put on this mask and truly become Queen Bee. Yep, it is the actual mask. Wow. And put it on my face. One sign of a good sheet mask is a well-fitting sheet mask. You see how this like lays on my nose and it lays on the side of my face and it's not like popping up. It's not too much fabric, not too little fabric. Bomb. There's nothing more annoying than having a sheet mask that just doesn't fit. And so you have to lay down and wear the mask, or you have to like, precariously type and stuff. Like, I got stuff to do, man. I ain't got time to sit here. This smells very similar to the original one, but it does kind of have that like, maybe a little bit of like a rosy scent to it as well. Rose, generally speaking, is not a huge favorite scent of mine, but if it's not too strong, then I'm totally fine with it. And this one's by all means not super strong. It's definitely more of a honey scent. So what I'm gonna do is keep this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. If there's any left in the thing, as always, be sure to get your neck. The Papa Recipe ones don't tend to have a whole lot still left in the bag though, which I kind of appreciate because you put it on to put it on your face. You don't want it to all be in the bag. Like, what if you forgot, you know? But whatever's left, I like to go on my neck, under the chin, on my hands, stuff like that. I'm gonna just chillax and watch some horrible television. And I'll be back to you guys in 10 minutes. I let some time pass me by. Your girl is supple. It feels so nice. Oh my god. So, as you guys know, pat it in, rub it in. Make sure to get all that goodness into the skin. Oh my god, this is such a good idea. Y'all don't understand. My skin reached a climax. And I was getting crusty and dusty. I was looking like somebody left me in a closet in the pantry. I look like I was covered in flour, but it's ash. Can't take it back. It's too late. We reached the climax. Okay, so last but not least, we gotta seal in all that goodness with a lotion or cream, the Bombee Honey Moist Cream. I just appreciate that all these products smell very similar, so they're not like a bunch of smells on my face. For those of you that are like really sensitive to smells, this is an interesting texture. A kind of like a gel cream. This one doesn't have a scent at all. This is really, really light. So it's nice, like after using all those other masks, it's not like a whole lot of heaviness, because it's hot, y'all. It's really hot all over the world, and I can't anymore. I just can't. It's really nice and thin, so it's not, I don't think it would in any way overpower somebody that had like oily skin, but especially with everything else, this really is and moisturizing and suppleizing and rejuvenating my tired friggin' skin, y'all. But yeah, after everything's said and done, my skin feels really, really nice. Not at all sticky or heavy. I'm going to be putting on makeup after this. I'm going to be filming quite a few videos, so I feel like it won't obstruct that. Thumbs up from me. If I had to name like my favorite products out of everything, these sheet masks are bomb. I've always liked them. Is it weird that I'll like buy a pack of 5 and then like never use them because I don't ever want to be without? Is that weird? But that's kind of how I am with these. I really do like the rose gold one. I feel like it's just a different experience than the regular honey one. I don't feel like it's that different. Like the smell is different. The smell is a little lighter and a little bit more rosy. But as far as like the overall feel, I know from experience that they both feel really good. So yes, if nothing else, I highly recommend trying their sheet masks. They have a cult following for a reason, because they are bomb. For those of you that are just feeling in a rut, take some time, take some self-care time to put some sheet masks on, to do your skincare, to massage your face, to relax, to rejuvenate, and hopefully that'll make you guys feel a lot better, because I know it makes me feel so much better, because I feel really good right now. Really. So thanks again, Papa Recipe, for teaming up with me and letting me showcase these products. If you want any of them, they'll be down in the description box. Oh, my face feels so good. Oh my god. Follow me on all my social media, Instagram, Twitter, both of which are KennieJD, and subscribe, because you watched this long. Come on, you know the drill. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.